In this video, let's take a look at exporting a CAD file using a calibration. So I inserted this XREF, and I previously created a calibration file for that called CAD.cal, and it's saved in the folder with the survey. So I can simply say, apply that calibration, and it moves that XREF appropriately so that it fits my survey. So I've got the XREF or the CAD file in one coordinate system and my survey in another. If I were to come over to this XREF, I open it up in the CAD view here, and let's take a look at properties for this little arc here. I could copy these coordinates. I see it ends in 521.114 and 946.638 for the X and the Y. And if I take a look at my arc over here, or the properties of that, I'm in my survey coordinate system. So I've got different beginning and end points that are not the same as they were in the CAD view. So let's go ahead and tell Traverse PC that I want to export this drawing back to the CAD client, and I want it to be in that original coordinate system that the CAD file was in. So watch how we do that. I'm going to say Tools, Export Drawing As. I'm going to write a DWG, and I'm going to choose Calibrate and select that same CAD file. So let's go ahead and pull that out of the folder. And it tells me the original calibration went from the DWG to my survey, my local survey. So I want to reverse that. I want to go from my survey to that original CAD file system. So I'm going to say, okay, let's go ahead and export this. Okay, Traverse PC overwrites that original file that was there. Now I'm going to tell Traverse PC I want to preview that in the CAD view. And let's go ahead and zoom in on that now. And let's do the same thing we did earlier. So now I'm going to select that arc, go to Properties. And if I zoom in on this, here's my 521.114 for the X and 946.638 for the Y. So I have the same exact coordinate system for this CAD file that the original XREF had. So I can work with one coordinate system in my survey, and I can send a CAD file back to an architect, to an engineer, or whoever, right back in their same coordinate system, simply by reversing a previous calibration that I set up, going from one of their CAD files to my survey. So real easy to go back and forth with calibrations and CAD files.